This outdoor high-brightness LED wall-mounted advertising screen is specially designed for high-end outdoor advertising scenes. Designed with P3.91 pitch LED modules, it can present delicate and clear images even when viewed up close. The screen brightness is as high as 4,500 nits, and it remains clear and readable even under direct sunlight. The whole machine adopts a glass-free design, effectively avoiding glass reflection problems and significantly improving outdoor visibility. At the same time, it is not afraid of the risk of glass breakage and is more suitable for complex outdoor environments. The shell adopts a high-strength aluminum structure design, which has good durability and corrosion resistance, as well as lightweight characteristics, and can easily cope with complex outdoor environments. Built-in efficient heat dissipation system, optimized internal thermal circulation, effectively controls equipment temperature, and ensures long-term stable operation. Suitable for display on walls and outdoor advertising spaces in commercial districts, it can continuously output high-quality images, continuously enhance brand exposure and visual appeal.